as much as I love having a lovely view, and I do love the view all around, because that wind is getting so frigging cold. And I mean, that is a really cold wind. Plus, damp back from sweating, and don't want to get to chill, so I have to rearrange things a little bit. But I've been let here now for about 20 minutes or so, chilling out, classic FM, and it's just really nice and relaxing. It's so nice to get away from the Wi-Fi signal and all that kind of electronic crap. Yes, I know the irony, I'm using my phone. But it's just so nice to get away from the constant bombardment of microwaves and radio waves and, you know, all that kind of bollocks. So what I'm going to have to do, the wind is predominantly from that side, because that is North Hill. Literally just up through those ferns is North Hill. Tempted to go for a little wander, but honestly I can't be asked. It's a nice view up there, I just can't be asked. There's a lot of sheep up there as well. And if they mistake me for a Welshman, I'm fucked, or they could be. No, it's been 50. I'm not had sex in a long time. And some of those sheep are really pretty. Anyway, so what I'm going to have to do is lower this side. It shouldn't be too much of an issue. Literally just a case of, because all my elasticated bungee ropes are just basically tied onto logs. Very, very thin. Basically sticks, heavy sticks, longy sticks, diggy sticks. So I'm just going to rearrange them a bit so they're sort of flops down on this side, and that side can stay open. A couple of minutes work whilst I go for a slash. Go over there and pick up my saucepan. That's been upside down for half an hour. So I can leave the wood burner out. That's fine. It's not going to attract too many things. But if I leave the saucepan out, then that's going to attract things, so they're going to smell of food. So that's going to have to go inside my plastic bag and get wrapped up so it's stop attracting anything. And hopefully my kettle will still have its coffee and milk powder and sugar inside it and not be emptied. So yeah, I don't know if the clocks have changed or if the time has changed or something, because according to my phone, which I can barely read because my eyesight is shit, it says it's something like 8 o'clock now. I thought it was 8 o'clock an hour ago, because I left the house at 5:30. I couldn't be asked waiting in for the delivery guy. I actually walked past him, I think, about half a mile away from the house. He didn't speak English, so it's like, you know, hide in the box, okay, now go in the bus. So, I mean, maybe, I know I got up here pretty quick, because I came up here the most direct route, which is about 1.5 miles, but it is still 1.5 miles nearly vertical in places. Actually, a couple of places it is vertical, because I really took the direct route. Because here it's about, I'm not sure if it's 300 meters or 300 feet above sea level. Google won't tell me. I've tried.
Fantastic piece, The Secret of Dumbledore by James Newton.
Thoughtful, what's he?
Well, this is very exciting.
So,
In a few minutes, we'll be joined here in the studio
yeah, I think it's about 8 o'clock. Maybe the clocks have changed, I don't know.
Inside, out, up, fantastic format.
It's the only radio station that is not woke. And after Rossi's finished, I think 9 o'clock he finishes, you can do like 2 hours work a week, basically get. It's some twat who does soundtracks from games, but it's shit games and shit music, so I just turn it off then. But yeah, very, very breezy. Also, it's getting to the point where this tarp's getting a little bit too close to my face. Yeah, that is getting very fucking breezy. Considering the heat waves we've been having, it's kind of freaky how cold it is getting at night. Because it's the end of July, not... Is it July? Yeah, end of July. So it's not like it's... We still haven't got the hottest time of the year yet. Hottest time of the year is the first week of August. Well, for England. A lot of trees are actually losing their leaves from the heat and the drought. Right, well, I think my setup is kind of okay. Oh, I need to take off that leg brace, otherwise my knee's going to plop again. Apart from that tarp on top. So all I'm going to do is move the wood so it's lower on this side than it is on the other side, because the other side is not going to need it. This side is wearing protection. Yeah, okay, enough talk, action. Although I'm going to have to strip off first and get naked, because I can't be asked getting out with sweaty bollocks.